Hi guys, today I have this Perodua Viva 2012 with me. This is supposed to be a replacement for Kelisa, and later on it became a replacement for Kancil as well. What I don't get here is that I've driven the Kelisa and I think it looks a lot better and it handles much better. It's a much better car overall. And this Viva is more like a downgrade instead of an upgrade or replacement for the Kelisa. In fact, I feel like this car is not worthy to be a replacement for the Kelisa. But you see many of these on the road today, and today I'd like to take you around this car and give you a review, what I think about the car, why they become so popular in general. The door sometimes feels a little sticky when you open. It may look quite small from outside, but it's got enough space to accommodate 5 people comfortably inside here, and you've got plenty of headroom as well because it's quite tall. The design inside in general looks decent. Nothing very expensive here. It's all hard plastic. They've got all 4 powered windows, which is very nice. And it's got powered window here as well. The door bins are so tiny. In fact, this is the tiniest door bin I have ever seen. They're so small, you can't fit in anything at all. There's no way you can fit in a bottle here. Maybe a book. Yeah, you can fit in a book here. The boot space is very tiny. Compared to an Axia, this is a lot smaller. Surprisingly, the glove box is quite big. I mean, it's big enough to fit in quite a lot of things. It comes with an 850cc engine, 3-cylinder. It puts out enough power to maneuver the car because this car is very light. It's paired with 5-speed standard transmission. Okay, let's take this car for a test drive. It starts right up. It's got very good acceleration because it's a standard transmission, so you can just change any gear you want. And it's got only 850cc engine, 3-cylinder, but it's got enough power because this car is very light. But one thing I noticed is that the noise level in this car is very high. Even it's going at a low speed, you can still hear all kinds of noise. But this car's got only 70,000 kilometers. So what do I think about this car overall? Now, I really think that this car is inferior to the Kelisa. Even though the Kelisa is a lot older, but it does drive better and it handles much better and it feels a lot easier to maneuver around town. Maybe it is a little bit superior to the Kancil, but I've driven the Kancil for quite a long time too, and I quite like the Kancil many years back when I drove them. Well, this car actually had a little bit of leaking in the engine when it was around 60,000 kilometers, but it was not a big deal. It was just the cover gasket. You just change that. It doesn't cost that much to repair, and very minimal repair has been done so far. Reliability is one of the best selling point of this car, because a lot of people who own this car, they just want something that runs forever and it doesn't cost much. So if you also have this car, I would be very happy to hear how reliable this car has been for you and how many kilometers you have done with this car. I've seen some comments having like almost 500,000 kilometers, which is phenomenal for a tiny car to last that long. So thank you for watching.